for a nap.
We're gonna go for an Easter egg hunt?
The bird.
Is she feeding her babies? Okay, let's go. Where are they? Where are they, Max? That's fine. There's one right there. Put it in your basket. There we go. That's one Easter egg. There's another one. There's a pinky one. You want to get it? Get the pinky one. Get it. You want to get it? You want Mama to get it for you? No. He's like, what are y'all doing? Here you go. Put it in the basket.
This is a stupid game.
Easter egg.
It's the dumbest damn thing I've ever seen.
All right, come on.
So I thought you big people were supposed to be the smart ones.
No. There's another one. You want to get it? Get it. Okay, that's 3 Easter eggs. Ready? Spaghetti. All he wants is the shampoo bottle. Do you see that Easter egg? You want to get it? Get it. Look at his face.
He's just uninterested.
He's so uninterested in this, it's not even
Well, I
funny.
know, but he was looking at the egg, at least from what I can see up here. Why would I be interested? I don't even know what you're talking about. It's hot. It's hot. It was yesterday.
Hot out here, isn't it?
Yeah. This might be the last Easter egg.
One matches your moo.
You want it? He's tired and grumpy. We waited too late. You gonna be ugly on Easter. All right, let's go in.